So what I'm saying is, blank blank user ID. So in the characters database, if they mentioned blank as a character, then blank would be blank and invalid data would be the same thing. But if they mention blank as something like null separate data type, then blank would be the blank. That would be one more test case. But you don't know what they have mentioned in the database, right? You are not related to the coding part, right? So you need to, for sure, you need to test that scenarios also. Okay. So in this manner, we need to test each and everything. Everything we need to test. We need to write in detail each and every screen test case. This is how you write a test case.
Mhm.
Okay. Any questions in this one? Do you have any doubts? Any questions in this test case?
No, I think clear. But I would request, as somebody also said, that if you share these documents today, uh, we will be able to kind of revise them.
Yeah. So in video you can see the screen. Okay, right? I'll share it. But what I was trying to do is like I was making the document more understandable, more easy way.
Okay, okay,
As I was planning to keep all the templates also in only one document.
okay.
So all the templates I was preparing requirement
Mhm.
scenario test cases, and I'll try to add here only all the contents of each document. So I was trying to add all the BRS, SRS document contents also in each spreadsheet. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So that would be more if you only if you carry this spreadsheet with you, it would be more enough. So that's why I was planning. So it takes one
okay.
or
No problem.
some more time. Okay. So clear here. So test case
Yeah,
clear.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So then, what is the difference between a test scenario and a test case?
Test scenario is only for a functionality, right?
Yes,
In test cases, we get the actual result as well.
exactly. Yes, detailed step-to-step execution. Good. So you can see on screen. Test scenario is a high-level document, whereas test case is a detailed step-to-step explanation. So in test scenarios, uh, we focus more on what to test. So I have given this document to test, right? This one,
Mhm.
this application. So what you'll see, what to the here we need to test login functionality here, and we need to test reset button. That is functionality. That is test scenario, and we don't cover here how to test in scenarios. But in test cases, we go through what to test and we create how to test. Okay, so we review the document, we review the test scenarios, what to test, and then we create how to test cases for how to test.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is the main difference. So in test scenarios we focus what to test. In test cases we understand what to test and we create test how to test. And test scenarios are morely one liner, they are just one liner. Whereas test cases, they have all the prerequisites, expected result, actual result, test case fail, pass, defect, all those are many things would be there. Okay,
Okay.
Uh, this is a major basic difference between test scenarios and test cases. So, are we clear with the test scenarios, test cases, and test designing? Okay. What are
Yes.
all the documents we require for test scenarios, uh, test designing, test planning, everything. So we have covered major important topics till today on the software testing life cycle. Okay.
Mhm.
Any questions, any doubts, anything you want to repeat me again?
No, not for me.
Yeah. That's good. Then we'll be stopping here. So tomorrow, guys, you write some test cases, sample test cases. Okay, so for some one or two login functionalities, reset functionalities, or you write the test scenarios and test cases for signing. In some screens, you see signing, right? So you do one thing. Now you just do a sample. This one for this login Google. Okay, current scenario how you write for Google or any website. Practice for two or three login functionalities. Only login functionalities is enough, and you send me the test scenarios and test cases to my mail ID. Okay, I'll see. I'll review and I'll we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.